Yo, what's going on, guys? Today, welcome back to another Lou Fix-It video. Today, we'll be fixing this broken blue controller. Well, I know you guys can't see it. Problem solved. This will be the blue controller. I don't know what's anything wrong with it yet. All I knew is it just came not too long ago, and all the buttons work except for this one. Unless if somebody added that or something, I don't know. Alrighty, let's try it out. Well, that ain't a good sign. It's not turning on. Yeah, it's not turning on for some reason. Oh, dang. Oh, this thing is cooked. Oh, wait, I don't even know if I can fix this. Oh, yo, guys, gotta see this. Look at that. One of the pins is missing. Well, it's a good thing I have another, piece of a controller to use. Yeah. I don't know. It might be possible to fix this still. I'm wondering if somebody did this. Because look. Yeah. I wonder if somebody added that or something. I have no clue. I have no clue who done this to this controller. But, oh shoot. I mean, we can try it. We could try it like wired. So, it's a good thing I got a wire right here. Oh, it actually turns on. Okay then. It seems to work fine. That's not a good thing. Even this works. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Hey guys, so, I'm using with my hand. Look. Seems like, unless, so I heard this controller has like drift stick. Okay, it vibrates. Recalibrate option. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Well, it's 100%, my guy. Are you gonna work now? My guy. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Okay, it has a little bit of drift, but not much where... Yeah, I think that's fine. I swear I looked on this controller on eBay and it said it had drift. This does not have drift. That's not a good thing in the video. Okay, this goes all the way down. Oh, wait, huh? How does this work then? Wait, huh? Wait. It works too. That is weird. Huh. Well, guys, that's kind of a bummer. I kind of wanted to fix something because I haven't made a video in a while for you guys, and there's no problem with it, but I still gotta open it anyways because this is not normal and this part's not normal. So that means you can never use battery. So I gotta take it apart anyways. So I hope you guys enjoy it. This joysticks definitely need to be replaced. Luckily, I have another part. Well, okay, let's just get on with it. Alrighty guys, sorry for the camera viewing. It's not the best, but it's something. So, now, gotta take it apart. Definitely replacing the joysticks because those are in. You can tell that controller's been used a lot. What type of size does it take? No. There we go. Perfect size. I think, wait, what is it called? A T9H. That's what it's called, a T9H. Phillips screw. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't already bought this toolkit, which is I definitely recommend getting, because it has everything that you need to fix anything, like consoles, controllers, yeah. But it has everything that you actually need if you want to fix stuff like how I do in my videos. Whoa. I knew they fling, but not that hard. Oh my god, where did it go? Okay, I'll find it. Wow. I just already fixed it. Okay then. Well. Yeah, at first, when I seen the controller on eBay, I was like, you know, it said it had drift, so I was like, might as well get something for the video. Because I know I haven't made a video in a while. My apologies. Yeah, and it turns out it does not have any drift. It has a little bit of drift, but not where you can, like, actually drift. And that's normal. That's very common for a lot of controllers. I'm a gaming nerd. I'll be honest with that. It looks like Pepsi. Placing those. Yeah, I don't see much. Let's take it out of the back of the shell. Oh! That's why. You guys can see it. It's bent. Oh, very badly. I just relocate that. Yeah, I think it works. What was... Oh, I think I know what was... this part was so bent that it touched right here, and that's how that happened. See, yeah, you guys gotta be very careful with these. Trust me, I even did it before, and I literally had to reopen the controller just to bend this back. That, like, these things, you gotta be very careful with. But yeah. This is going to be a short video. My apologies, guys. It said that the seller said it was going to have drift stick, and it didn't. So I didn't expect that. Man, every time I try finding something that's broken, it turns out it's completely fine. I don't know why. It makes no sense. Because I was ready for my soldering station, too. I was ready for my soldering station. Man, well, might as well place the joystick. Actually, no. I'll just replace both of them. Because both of them looked like they were in bad condition. Still look good. I'll just use my brush. It's a little dusty. Now, everyone's favorite, putting it back together. This time, gotta make sure they're both clicking in. There we go. Hear the click, guys? Alright. And see? Both of the pins are now in. Now, okay. I actually kind of like it with, black. That ain't actually bad. Like, yes, the blue is really good, but these are, yeah, a little no good. Show. Now, time to put the screws in. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 4. And that's 5. Okay. Now, clamp this on. I gotta find the other piece now. This might take a moment. Alrighty, guys. I found it. Now, you can clamp this on. And boom! Everything feels fine. Okay, I do notice the Y. Notice how it pushes down slow. But it works. So let's try it out. Hey guys, I had to keep the lights off in order for you guys to see the TV. So now just test it. See if it turns on. Yep, turns on. Wireless too. See? Now, go to that. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Okay, there we go. TT. I don't know if somebody put that there or not. Vibrates. They both vibrate. Left stick. Alright, right stick. Yep, seems to work fine. Left trigger. Now, this is where the problem. There we go. Yep. Right trigger works. Now. Okay. Up, down, left. Right, left, up, down. Okay, yep. D-pad. Down, up, right, left. Left trigger. Pressed. Yep. They both work. A button. B button. Now X button. Y button. Left bumper. And right bumper. View button. What is view button? Oh, that's what they're called. Okay. Right bump. Okay, yeah. So this controller works now. Well, I think that's it for today's video. Sorry for no drift stick. I kind of actually wanted to make a video of fixing a drift stick because I had another set of a broken controller. But yeah, everything works. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like. If you're new here, sub. And if you want to see future videos, hit that bell button if you want. I'm not trying to force you or anything. It's just, if you want to see more videos, hit that bell button if you want. Peace out, everyone. Lewis signing off.